Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great opportunity for you by Cognizant. So Cognizant is going to hire programmer, analyst, trainee, and friends, who all can apply and how to apply, that you will be able to know at the end of this video. So friends, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any kind of opportunity by any of the company. So friends, this link will be given in the description. So you can click over the link and then you can click on apply now. So what is the qualification? So friends, science and engineering graduate. Okay. And responsibility. So here you can say friends science. So you can say BCA, BSc, MSc. So irrespective of any graduation, you will be able to apply. Now many of you will ask, sir, I am from electrical background, can I apply? Everyone, please do apply. There is nothing wrong in applying. If you are getting a call from Cognizant, you are lucky. If your resume is good, you are lucky. You will definitely get a call and then you can attempt the exam. Requirement analysis. So a understanding that functional aspects of the client requirement. Okay, so client requirement basically we need to understand. Efficient task execution. So arrange clarifications, issues, concerns regarding work output to be lead on time. Adhere to schedule timeline. So friends, this will be given by all of the companies. Okay, now documentation. Okay, and then creating application specific reports. Okay, and then participation in call status reporting, learning and training, and then must have skills. So Salesforce customization and Salesforce configuration. Employee status. So they are going to hire the full-time employee. Shift days, shift is there. Travel now, and job posting. So this job was posted 8th of February 2021. So definitely we are late here, but still you will be able to apply. Okay, and friends, so here they have not mentioned the particular year. So I will suggest each one of you, irrespective of your year, please do apply. Or might be when you are going to apply, we will be able to see the year. Okay, so now what we will do is we will click on apply now. Before that friends, I just wanted to tell you, so live coding crash course for InfyTQ 2021 has been already started and many of the student has been already joined. So it is started basically yesterday, but yesterday was the only introduction session. So we will be starting it from today, from the topics. Okay, so if you have not joined it, please do join. You will be able to attend these classes on mobile as well as web. I mean, you'll be able to open on the laptop as well. Okay, now, so friends, here we are going to apply. So click on proceed. Okay, and then you need to upload your resume. So these are the very simple things. So I am going to upload my resume, right? So success, we have added your resume to our application, right? So resume is uploaded, and then you can see some of the information has been taken from there. Previously employed by Cognizant? No. If yes, employee ID. Total experience. So experience we have 0. So you can see friends, this is for freshers as well. Okay, and if you have certain experience, then also you can apply. And the skills. So you can select a skills from here. Let me see how can we select it. Okay, yeah, and then we can click on next. So you can select your particular skills. Okay, review and submit, and applying this is very easy. And now what you can do, acknowledgement, click here and then click on submit, and then your application will be submitted, and you will be also getting a mail that your application is submitted. So friends, do not worry about the package, do not worry about which year and all. Your job is to just apply for this particular job, and the rest of the things you leave on Cognizant, and make sure you have a very good resume so that you will be able to, your resume will be able to get selected. Okay, and friends, one more time, so if you have not yet got this course, please do get it. The price is going to increase soon. And for InfyTQ, so we are doing Python and we are doing Java, both the classes is from March 15 to 3rd of April. Thank you friends.